Hello children. So today in fractions we are going to learn the word of. What does of mean in a sum or in a word problem? Let us start. When a fraction is used with the word of, it acts as multiplication. So whenever you see the word of, you have to substitute it with the multiplication sign. So what do they mean? Let us find out. 1/4 of 20. Now here I will write 1/4, right? Of. So we have to replace of with multiplication and 20. So this is 1/4 of 20. And we have already learned how to do multiplication of fractions. If there is nothing in the denominator, assume it as 1. So now one numerator and one denominator gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20 and 1 5s are 5. So this is what they mean by using the operator of. Let us go to the next sum. 1/5 of rupees 120. Now here they have used the word rupees. That means what is 1/5 of 120 rupees? So I will cancel 5 with 120 because both are multiples of 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 and my answer is rupees 24. Next sum, half of a day. Now children, remember they have told here half of a day, right? So I have replaced of with multiplication. Yeah. So but what is a day? So a day means we always tell in a day there is 24 hours. So we will replace a day with 24 hours. Half of 24 hours. So what is half of 24 hours? 2 ones are 2 12s are 24. So half of 24 hours is 12 hours and this will be your answer. Let us go to the next sum. 3/4 of a year. Now in the same way children, here they have told 3/4 of a year. So we know that what is year? A year has 12 months. Jan, Feb, March till December. So we will write 3/4. Instead of a year, I will replace this with 12 months. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12 and 3 threes is 9. Multiplying the numerators, I will get the answer 9 months. 2/6 of 720 liters. Now here 2/6 of 720 liters is direct question. So 2/6 of 720 liters. So 6 is a multiple of 720. 6 ones are 6 12s are 72 and a 0. So it is 240 liters when you multiply both the numerator. So hope you understood children how to use the word operator. Now I will be doing this next two word problems like now here they have asked children how many months are there. How many months are there in 2/5 of a century? So how many months are there in 2/5 of a century? Now if you see here children, these both are not like units. This is a month and this is a century. So when you are given questions like this, first you have to convert this into like units. Here if it is months, here also you should change the century into months. So now 2/5 of a century I will write as of means multiplication, that is what now we have learned. So 2/5 of a century is 100 years. So here instead of century I will write 100 years. Now still we have not got months. 1 month and is this side is years. So let us first convert. 1 year is equal to 12 months. So here how many months are we being given in the question? 100 years. So if 1 year is 12 months, how many is 100 years? Convert it into months. So 100 into 12 is cross multiply. So it is 1200 months. So now our question is 2 by 5 into 1200 months. So you saw we have converted century into years. A century is 100 years and 100 years is 1200 months by this formula. So let us cancel now. You know 5 and 1200 are multiples because in the units place it is 0. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 eights are 40 and 0. So the answer is 480 months. So in this way you can convert century into months. Now let us come to the last sum. How many seconds are there in 2/3 of 2 hours? So now here also we are having the same problem, children. They have asked in the 7th sum, how many seconds are there in 2/3 of 2 hours? So children, now here it is seconds and here it is hours. So first we will convert hours to minutes and then minutes to seconds. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 hours is how many minutes, children? 2 into 60 cross multiply. It is 120 minutes. So I can write the question as 2 by 3 of is replaced by multiplication. Now instead of 2 hours, what will I write? 120 minutes. But still we are in minutes, we have not got seconds. So again we will use the same table. 2 by 3 into, now let us convert minutes into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So how many minutes we are having? 120 minutes. So 120 minutes is equal to how many seconds? What will you do? Yes, cross multiply 120 into 60. Now there are 2 zeros in the end. So 2 zeros I will put here. And 12 6 is 72. So we have got 7,200 seconds. Now after this it is very easy, children. So what did we do? We converted hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. Now this is 7 plus 2, 9. That means it is a multiple of 3. So let us divide. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12 and 0, 0. So when you multiply this, 2 and 2,400, your answer will be 4,800 seconds, and this is your final answer. So hope you understood this problem nicely, children. In our next class, we will use the word of and solve some word problems. Bye for now.